Hi, boys and girls. So today for math, I just want to go over some strategies that you can do for the next 2 days. You will be working on your math workbook, the soft one, workbook page 193 today. So on this lesson, boys and girls, you will be using a picture graph to help you answer questions that are word problems. So if you need to get some more strategies, you can look at the math textbook, which is the hard book, page 244. So here is today's activity. Boys and girls, it says here, Dora and her friends compare their sticker collections. She draws a picture graph to show the number of stickers they have. However, she accidentally spills her drink on part of the graph. So remember 2 lessons ago, before we made tallies, what was the most important thing I told you, boys and girls, that you needed to look at? Good, I heard somebody say it. The key. So here it says each circle stands for 4 stickers. What I would like to see you boys and girls do first is make sure you label your picture graph. So let's get started. Here's an example, boys and girls. Here's the picture graph again. So the first thing I'm going to notice is I see Susan, Tracy, Kate, and Vera. Vera, we know part of it, but remember, some things spill. And we don't know Dora's. So the first thing I would like to see you boys and girls do is label your picture graph here. So again, each circle stands for how many stickers? Good, it stands for 4. So I would see you do 4. Sorry, boys and girls, let me try that again. 4, 4, 4, and 4. Good. So we have here 4, 4, 4, 4. Now you need to find the total here. And so how many stickers does Susan have? Well, she doesn't have 4 of them. Remember, each sticker stands for 4. So you can skip count by 4s 4 times. You can add on. Very good. But somebody here knows that 4, 8, 12, and then we have 16. Then I would like to see you do the same for Tracy, Kate, and we know Vera's here, up to the spill. But I want to go over a strategy that you can do when you compare 2 people. So let's look at number 2 here. How many more stickers does Kate have than Tracy? Okay, well, let's look at Kate here. And let's look at Tracy. You have already labeled it, boys and girls, but I want to see where Kate and Tracy have the same amount. So let's see. Tracy has one here, Kate has one. That's the same. Tracy has another one here, Kate has another one there. That's the same. Tracy has one, Kate has one. That's the same. But does Tracy have any more here? No. Kate has 2 more. So I'm going to draw a line on where they're the same. And then I see here how many more stickers does Kate have than Tracy? Well, I can see here that Kate has, sorry, boys and girls, Kate has how many more than Tracy? She has 2 stickers, but we know, boys and girls, that it is 2, but again, make sure you're careful with the key. So I hope, boys and girls, that these strategies help you with today's lesson and Fridays. Any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.